Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Grafton, Massachusetts? Look no further than the Dumpster Divers Dumpster Rentals and Recycling Drop-Off Center. As trusted local experts, we're here to meet all your dumpster rental and recycling needs. We take pride in providing homeowners, contractors, and businesses with top-notch dumpster rental services. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a significant cleanout, or a construction project, we've got the perfect dumpster for you. With the Dumpster Divers Dumpster Rentals and Recycling Drop-Off Center, you can count on prompt delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on schedule. Our professional and courteous team is dedicated to making your experience as smooth and stress-free as possible. We're committed to sustainability. Our Recycling Drop-Off Center ensures responsible waste handling, reduces landfill impact, and promotes environmental health. Join us in our mission to make Grafton greener and cleaner. Our Recycling Drop-Off Center is open to residents and businesses in every town, making recycling and contributing to a healthier community easy. Ready to get started? Call us at 508-925-5245 or visit www.thedumpsterdivers.com. Dumpster Rental Grafton MA to book your dumpster today. The Dumpster Divers Dumpster Rentals and Recycling Drop-Off Center, where we dive into solutions for all your waste and recycling needs.